Hello, all you cool cats and kittens. Oh, wait. No, we like mice in this house, particularly Mickey Mouse. So I am Jessie with Jessie's Dream Vacations, and I specialize in Disney vacations. So if you email me, my email below, I can email you free quotes. My services are 100% free to you, the client. And when I'm not helping clients find amazing deals for their Disney dream vacations, I am going to be giving updates on what Disney is currently doing, either with the parks or expanded, like Ulani or Adventures with Disney or even the cruise line. Currently, the only resorts that are open, and there's actually a lot of resorts that are open right now. We have Disney's Contemporary and Bay Lake Tower. We have Wilderness Lodge's villas. We have both the Boulder Ridge and the Copper Creek villas and cabins. We also have the villas open in Kidani Village over at Animal Kingdom Lodge. We have Art of Animation open. We have Pop Century open. We have the Beach Club villas open, and we also have the Yacht Club Resort open. We also have Coronado Springs, Caribbean Beach, Boardwalk Villas, Fort Wilderness Resort and the campground, the Grand Floridian Resort and Spa along with the villas, Old Key West, Riviera, Saratoga Springs, as well as the Polynesian villas and bungalows. And so if they're not open right now, then they are accepting reservations right now. There's been no updates on any others as far as I know of right now. But the Poly is set to fully open come this summer. So that would be really excited to see. They are going to be doing a whole Moana theme with a lot of the rooms. Some of the new pictures that are coming out for the rooms, and they're pretty nice looking. There is an update on the cruise lines. It is not an update that people want to hear, but it's an update. So, as the statement goes, as of February 3rd, 2021, Disney Cruise Line has begun enforcing the existing cancellation policy regarding Vacation Protection Plan, or the VPP. The policy establishes that once the VPP has been paid in full, it will no longer be refundable, with the exception of the 10-day look-back period post-purchase to give insured clients appropriate time to review the policy. This, however, does not apply to bookings before February 3rd of 2021 this year. All right, so that is a quick thing. There are still no bookings that I have seen for the Disney Cruise Line. I'm hoping that will change, where the vaccinations are coming out, and they're trying to do something right now where for like the Alaskan cruises that they wouldn't have to stop in Canada because Canada is currently closed off all cruises for the rest of the year. Or at least cruises that would come here and us going there. All right. We also have some amazing deals going on with the rooms. We have two currently. There is the one where they add on a 2 tickets to your stay, 2 park tickets. So if you stay for a minimum of 4 nights and 3 days, you would automatically get those 3 park tickets. Well, they'll add on 2 more park tickets. So say if you have an early flight coming in to the resort, you can automatically head to the park that day. And say if you have a late flight, or if you're going home late on your last day, you can hit up the park before you have to go home too. Use up those 5 tickets. Also, it is not confined to just those 4 days. You can stay up to 14 days and you can space out those tickets. Because let's face it, if you try to go park to park to park to park every day, I'm sure some people can do it. I personally can't. I need a resort day somewhere in between. I don't know how other people do it, but alright, so your other deal is going to be 30% off of some of your rooms. It ranges from 15 to 30% off. So for your 30% off, you have the villas and the cabins over at Wilderness Lodge of Boulder Ridge and Copper Creek. You have Animal Kingdom Lodge villas in Kidani Village. You have the Boardwalk Villas, Old Key West Resort, Saratoga Springs Resort and Spa, the Riviera Resort. Let's see, the Beach Club Resort, which is opening May 30th. So you guys, you have to get those reservations in if you want to go. Contemporary Resort, but not Bay Lake Tower. We're going to get into Bay Lake Tower after because that one is not going to be 30% off. The Grand Floridian Room and Spa, and the Wilderness Lodge, which is currently also accepting reservations. It will be opening June 6th. And the Yacht Club Resort. Now, for the 20% off of your rooms, it goes to the Caribbean Beach Resort, Coronado Springs Resort, and the cabins at Fort Wilderness. And then for your 15% off, that is where Bay Lake Tower comes in at only 15% off. Disney's Beach Club Villas, the studios only at the Polynesian. Like we said, Polynesian's not going to fully open until summer of 2021 this year. And then you also have your All-Star Movies, Art of Animation, and your Pop Century resorts. So all these resorts are anywhere from 15 to 30%, like I said. Now, when you book, you only get to choose one deal. So either you get to have the 2 extra tickets, or you can have the 30% off. Either way, so the 30% off one, you can book now through May 27th, and you can have a vacation. It is from the time frame of April 15th of this year to July 10th of this year. That's how long this deal is going for. As for the 2 extra tickets, those are currently good up to September 25th of this year. So you can have a vacation all the way out to September and you'll be fine. Alrighty, let's go in. Aulani is going to be, it is open. So you can book reservations, but you still have to follow the protocols of Hawaii, which currently consists of either a pre-COVID test before you go, or the quarantine. I'm not quite sure. I'm going to have to look in if you can also do it here before you go, which would probably make a little more sense. But I will look into that. But yes, Aulani is open. You can go, you can book reservations. Also, it should be noted, if you're planning any last minute trips for either this month of March or April, there was just something that was put up how there really aren't a lot of park reservations available anymore. So you might want to wait on that last minute travel if you really, really, really want to go to Disney, because I just don't want to see people book the trip and then not be able to get that park reservation that you also have to get with your ticket. Currently, parks are still at 35%. It seems to be that that's how it's going to be for a little while. So yeah, they're saying right as of now, there really isn't a whole lot of park reservations to go around, especially for Magic Kingdom and Hollywood Studios. You know, you got your Rise of Resistance, which is the biggest ride right now, and Magic Kingdom is always going to be the most popular park. So unless you only want to go to Epcot or Animal Kingdom being my personal favorite park, you know, I personally wouldn't mind that. You might be better off waiting until maybe May to go. Just an idea. And now for the parents who want to buy a special something for their kids but don't want to have to roll out the big dollars while they want to get, you know, souvenirs at Disney World. A lot of cases you can buy the souvenirs at home and bring them to Disney World and surprise your kids with them there. For example, I got these ears. It came in a pack of 3 off of Amazon for like $12. So I have one and 2 of my daughters have some, and then we have others, so. But Disney Online, Shop Disney, is currently doing their own sales. One is buy a bag and you get a charm for $5. Now, the bags range in design. They can either be crossbody, backpacks, some purses, or even luggage bags. And then you can buy a charm for $5 to go with it. And the charms are pretty cute. And then there's another sale going on, you know, which is kind of fun. $14 on bath towels, ranging from Marvel, Star Wars, Princess, a lot of different things that you can just have at your home. The other thing, if you want to dress up your kid for Disney but don't want to pay the bippity boppy boutique prices, which is completely understandable, Shop Disney is currently doing 30% off of a lot of different dress up costumes for little warriors and little princesses. So you have Mando from Mandalorian, you got Buzz Lightyear, and then you have a whole bunch of princess ones, well, and queen ones if you want to count Elsa and Anna. I guess they're both queens. So yeah, check those out if if your kids still want to dress up to go to Disney, but you really don't want to pay, you know, a lot of money on it. 50 Boppity Boutique can easily run you up to $200+. And I don't think they're actually doing it right now, so all the more reason to do that little special something. All right, you guys, so that is it. I will be trying to do these videos every Friday to give updates on news of what is currently going on in the parks and beyond. So, when Adventures of Disney is going to start back up, when cruise lines are going to start back up, like, comment, and subscribe. That way you know what's going on at the same time as me. And yeah. All right, you guys. Have a magical day. Bye.